we were living in a particular historical period where there was a tremendous influx of immigrants who were speaking many different languages, but certainly Yiddish was an important language among the people who came from Eastern Europe. At the same time, that Yiddish was not used only at home. It was what you heard in the street. It was what you used when you shopped. It was what you talked with your friends. But at the same time, there was an urgency to learn English because that was the language of education and advancement. And so there was always a conflict of how much Yiddish it was good to be able to retain. That was a real conflict for us. And I remember for myself being very partial as a child because I loved my grandparents who spoke Yiddish, that Yiddish was my language. And my mother asking me, why don't you want to speak English? And I would say, ich bin ein Yiddish kind, red ich Yiddish, which is interesting, that a little girl would sense that particular feeling, yes.